Hello, my dear student of class 3. Again, I am here to teach you grammar. In a last class, I have taught you noun, and today I will teach you proper noun. Before starting the chapter, I want to ask you something. Do you remember what is noun? Because the chapter is proper noun, and if you don't remember noun, then you will not understand about a proper noun. So I'm just repeating myself. Please listen carefully, okay? Noun. What is noun? In a simple language, noun is a naming word. Everything which has a name, that is called a noun. Okay? Proper noun. What is proper noun? Open your book and look at the chapter 2. You can see here the proper noun, and here it is written that proper noun are the special name of particular person. Before the proper noun, we have learned noun. Noun, what is noun? Noun is the name of particular. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. But what is proper noun? Proper noun is a special name of particular person. Particular and the special. These two words are added in the proper noun. For example, Rohan Dali read for Jambo. First of all, you have to understand about a particular and a special. What is particular? Particular person, place, animal. Particular, it means, whenever, take an example. If we say city, city means what? City means city. There are so many cities in our country, in the world. There are so many cities. We will not understand which city we are talking about. Will you understand? क्या आप लोगों को समझ में आएगा? अगर मैं सिर्फ सिटी बोलूंगी तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि मैं कौन से शहर की बात कर रही हूँ? नो, आप लोगों को समझ में नहीं आएगा कि मैं किस सिटी की बात कर रही हूँ. But if I will say about Kolkata, then you will understand. Then you will understand that I am talking about Kolkata. So Kolkata is a particular place. Kolkata is what? Kolkata is a particular place. Just like if I will say boy. If I will say boy or a student, it means what? It can be anyone. There are so many boys in your class. There are so many students in your school. Which I am talking about, you will not understand. But if I will say the name of that student or the name of that boy, just like Vicky, Jagat, if I will say the name, then you will understand. That means that is the particular person. If I will say dog, there are so many dogs around us. But if I will say Moti, it means what? The particular name of any dog. If I will say things, there are so many things. But if I will say pen, that is the particular name of that thing. That is the proper noun. Understood? Proper noun are the special name of particular person, place, animal or thing. लोगों को समझ में आया? जब किसी स्पेशल चीज, व्यक्ति और जानवर का हम नाम लेते हैं तो वो होता है proper noun. Understood? Proper noun always begin with a capital letter. Proper noun always begin with a capital letter. Proper noun हमेशा capital letter से start होता है. Understood? Next one, as you can see in your book, here it is written that let's do. Wow, let's do. Let's see what we have to do. What is given for us? Here. Find out some special person, place or thing that are not. It's interesting. You have to find some special name of person, place, thing that are around you. You have to find. Just like name of your friend. आपको अपने दोस्त का नाम लिखना है. नेम ऑफ योर फेवरेट गेम, name of your class teacher, name of your school, name of your city. So it is interesting to do, my dear student. Please do it. Okay. Then after, send me the pic of that page. Understood? Next, as you can see here, let's learn what you have to learn. Here, the definition is given. The definition of proper noun. The definition of proper noun. What is the definition of proper noun? A noun which name a particular person. A noun which name a particular person or a thing is called a proper noun. It is a definition of proper noun which I have just explained few minutes later. So, my dear student, please note down this definition in your notebook and also note down this line. Proper noun always begin with a letter, because if you will forget it, then it will help you to remind. Okay. मेरे बच्चों, प्लीज आप लोग इस डेफिनेशन को और इस लाइन को अपनी कॉपी में लिख लीजिएगा और लर्न कर लीजिएगा. लिख लेंगे, इससे आपके लिए अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि जब आप भूल जाएंगे तो आपका लिखा हुआ आपको हेल्प करेगा. ओके. In the next page, as you can see, here it is written that proper noun includes the name of person. अब यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है कि proper noun के अंदर क्या क्या आता है, किस किस चीज का नेम. The proper noun includes the name of person, व्यक्तियों का नाम, name of countries, name of cities, name of towns, village, historical place. Historical place, do you know historical place? ऐतिहासिक जगह, historical. Rivers, ships, street. Street means what? Street. सड़क. Mountains, months of year, days of week, festival, book, newspaper, etc. These all are includes in proper noun. Just like name of person just like Ram, name of country just like India, name of city Kolkata, name of town Muzaffarpur, village, any name of any village. Historical place, Victoria Memorial, river, Ganga, sheep, street, these all. As you can see, here are some questions that you have to do. Let's practice. My dear student, please do it and send me the picture of these pages. Last time you didn't send me. So please this time send me the picture that you have done at home. Okay. Here are some questions. First one is begin each name with a capital letter. You have to So my dear student, as you can see, here some questions are given. So you have to do it. The first one is begin each name with a capital letter. Begin each name with a capital letter. Capital letter. Do you know capital letter? Just write the name of 3 rivers. Any 3 river name. Write the any 3 rivers name and start the name of each river with a capital letter. Write the name of 2 festival, any 2 festival. Write the name of 4 cities. Write the name of any 2 books. Write the name of any 3 planets. Understood? The next question is underline the proper noun in these sentences. Underline the proper noun in these sentences. There are some sentences and you have to find out the proper noun in this sentence. Just like my friend's name is Amit. Amit is a proper noun. So you have to underline Amit. Do it. Then after, as you can see, here question number C. Search out the proper noun. November. You have to find these words from these boxes. Okay, just like November. Where is November? Find when. Help me, baby. My dear student, please help me. Where is November? Can you see it? Where is November? N-O-V, here N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R, November, है ना? Here, as you can see, November. So you have to find these proper nouns like this. The next question is rewrite this sentence using capital letter in the correct place. So as you can see here, I admire Anil Kambal. So Anil Kambal is a name. So you have to write this Anil Kambal with a capital letter and I. I is the first letter of this sentence. You have to write the I in a capital letter. So do these sentences. Okay, my dear student. Complete these questions and send the picture to my WhatsApp. Take care of yourself. Bye.